Yeah, okay, my neck is gonna stay stained, it's fine. But I'm about to take the longest shower ever. Bye.
I can't stop. Oh, it's stuck in my hair. Saved it. I'll have fun. I'll be finding these little pieces of fur for the next year.
Okay. Do a quick little step-by-step on how to work with scar wax. It's really sticky and difficult to work with, but once you kind of master it, it looks really good. This is how I like to apply it. I'm just gonna do a really simple scratch across my chest here. I first use rubbing alcohol on the area just to make sure there's no oils or anything. I like to use clay making tools like this, but you can also just use a regular makeup spatula. First things first, cover everything in Vaseline. It'll make it so much easier. Even on your fingers, get a little bit out. Put a little bit of spirit gum down first. Tap it to make it tacky. I'm rolling it into a little log shape. I flatten it, place it on top of the spirit gum. You can start smoothing out the edges now. Start to shave and smooth away the edges. Translucent powder. Make your incision. Oh yeah. I color the scratching with some black first. Add some fake blood. More blood. Okay, I think that's good. When you're done, you can mess with it all you want. The removal is the most satisfying part. Oh yeah.
And we're back with another. Take off this look with me. I'm not ready to take this off because it's really about to hurt. Time for these pearly whites. There's so many. There are way too many of these. Now that we got all those teeth out, time to take off this bald cap. It didn't rip! Got it open. I feel like I ripped my hair out in the process though. And me. Why don't you run? See me in a crowd. I gotta watch this. Time for the contacts. And wiping. We're running out of time. See you guys after. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Till next time. fix the wig. Lashes. Now the fun part. I don't know where to start.
It's time to take this makeup off. This is going to be so painful. I don't even know where to start. I look insane, so let's just carry on. Let's hope my brows don't come off. I'm going to use my micellar and a brush to like peel this off.
And we're back with another take off this look with me. You guys, I'm so sleepy. It is literally 6:14 a.m. Anywho, where should we start? Maybe the contacts. Love that I gave you. Point that out. Now for the fun stuff. Time for us to get down and dirty. Do you guys see my brow in there? Not gonna lie, this stuff really smells. I feel like I'm ripping off my skin. It all came off in one piece. Time to take off the mouth. Oh no, we're running out of time. See you guys after. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Here I am, in my bedroom after putting a load of makeup on my face. I don't know how I will get it off, and I know it will only get about 2 views on TikTok. Send help please.